Well, tonight is cold. It's the pre-Christmas full moon tonight. It's the 22nd of December. It's Saturday night. And the full moon is at 4:48 tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's Sunday the 23rd. And you know, there was a full moon the night that Nathan died. Black Saturday. The night of the bushfires. Penny Chambers. Penny died in that same disaster, those same bushfires, that very same firestorm as the one that killed Nathan. So what is the prophecy of the moon, the full moon? Tonight's full moon. This is the moon. This is the moon. This was the moon of which the light reflected off the penny. It was the light of this moon. The penny in the pond. The penny in the pond of Owen and Riley. Riley is the prophecy of Nathan and Jake. It's cold enough tonight, I could almost believe I'm in the Northern Hemisphere. I could almost believe I'm in Minnesota. Okay, maybe not that cold. Although, yes, because there it's summer. It's not summer, it's winter, said Owen. Oh yeah, said Riley. Minnesota, it's winter. It's nearly Christmas. It'd be freezing there. Yeah, much colder than here. So Riley had found the penny in the pond. The penny was round, like the moon, like the pond. Riley knew instantly that it was a lucky penny. He felt its power. He felt the power of the coin in his hand. And Owen, he sensed the power had gone from his pond. His round, beautiful mirror. There's a face behind the moon. How do you know it's a lucky penny, Riley? 'Cause Owen was jealous. And he wanted that pond. He wanted that power. He wanted that coin back. He wanted his penny back. It was his penny. Riley had no right to take his penny from the pond. And it seemed very unjust. Owen had been coming to this pond for how long? Then along comes Riley and immediately sees the penny in the pond. How does that work? How can that be fair? Owen was jealous. How do you know it's not an unlucky penny, Riley? And that wiped the smile off Riley's face. because he realized he didn't know. He didn't know if it was a lucky penny or an unlucky penny. But the idea that it could be an unlucky penny never would have entered into his mind had it not been for Owen asking the question and putting that thought into his head, putting that thought into his mind that a penny could be unlucky instead of lucky. And so it changed things. It changed everything. The penny was round. The full moon above was round. The pond below was round. But now there was something else that was going to become round. A cyclone. That's right, a tropical cyclone named Riley. So Jake sent Nathan off to find the answer to the riddle, because Jake's mirror boy, William, loved riddles. And they had a riddle to solve, and it was in Java. It was in Indonesia, the land of volcanoes. Samuel met Nathan. Samuel, the Javan boy, aged 9. The same age as Ebony, and it's Ebony's birthday today. It's Ebony's birthday today. The disco light is on for Ebony's birthday party. Samuel said to Nathan, there's going to be a sign tonight at 11:58. What's the time now, Nathan? Oh, you know. It's around 10. It's around 10 o'clock. Okay, so in a couple of hours. At 11:58 p.m. local time in Kinglake West, Australian Eastern Daylight Time, because it's summer, there's going to be a sign. What kind of sign? Asked Nathan. Steam. Heat. Fire. Water. Ocean. Fire. Water. Ocean. Steam sign, said Samuel. Samuel likes steamboats. He didn't really answer the question. He just gave another riddle of sorts. Another riddle to go with the other riddle. Another riddle. So, do you know the meaning of the thorny bush? Where is the thorny bush? Samuel asked Nathan. Nathan didn't know. To find out, come with me. And Samuel took Nathan up the mountain. And the mountain was named Galangang. It was a volcano. It had been quiet for a while. It wasn't far from Papandayan. Papandayan and Puntang, the twin volcanoes. The twin peaks. Twins, you see. Riley has a twin. Galangang Beauty Kana. Beauty Kana. Beauty Kana. Beauty Kana. It means tuber thorn. Where is the thorny bush? Where is the thorny thicket? So Nathan came back after spending a lot of time with Samuel. And he said to Jake, "Yeah, I know the answer. I've worked out the riddle." So he told Jake, Riley the cyclone. Riley is going to have a sister. Kind of. Riley is going to have a mother. Kind of. Riley is his sister. Riley is his mother. Kind of. Turning it into another riddle. The lily. The lily is a bulb. Like the daffodil. Galangang has yellow. Sulphur ground. Sulphur ground is yellow. Like a daffodil. A daffodil is a bulb. The dahlia is a bulb. The first cyclone in Australian waters last year, 2017, at the end of November, when Mount Agung was erupting, was dahlia. Remember dahlia? The dahlia is a tuber. Beauty Kaina, another word for galangang, means tuber thorn. Tuber is a dahlia. Therein lies the clue. Therein lies the answer to the riddle. Iris is going to be a cyclone. Tropical cyclone Iris from Indonesia. Riley is going to form out of the remnants of an Indonesian girl, his sister, his mother, kind of. Riley is Lily. Lily is Riley. Riley. It kind of makes sense, said Nathan. It's a unisex name. Riley is a unisex name. True, it is. True. And Riley formed from the remnants of an Indonesian girl named Lily. That's how it was, that's how it is, that's how it will be. And the pond. The pond where Owen came and sat every night when there was a full moon. The pond where Riley came and saw the penny reflected in the moonlight. Was the penny the moon? What's the sign at 11:58 tonight? What's the sign going to be? What is the sign of the full moon of Riley and Owen? Steam, fire, water, heat, reflecting. Samuel from Java. Samuel, the twin of Nathan. Lily. The lily is a flower. The lily, the water lily. Okay, so Tropical Cyclone Nathan was in 2013. Was it? No. It was on Friday the 13th in 2015. There was Nathan, there was Olwyn, there was Pam. And then way up north there was a little tropical storm named Barbie. I think its name was Barbie. Friday the 13th. It was Friday the 13th of March, 2015. Tropical Cyclone Nathan. Soon we will see Tropical Cyclone Lily, born from the full moon born from the pond of Owen and Riley. The next tropical cyclone in Australian waters will be named Penny. Penny, the girl who died trying to save her horses. She died in the same firestorm as Nathan on Black Saturday, 2009. Penny Chambers. Chambers, the surname of Jake, the boy in the dark tower. Jake Chambers. Penny in a pond. The first horse I ever knew was named Penny. Right here. Penny Marshall, the actress, she died a few days ago. What is the answer to the riddle? Riley is an Asian girl. Riley, the Aussie cowboy, the Aussie bad boy, is an Asian girl. He was an Asian girl before he was a boy. That's why Riley has an effeminate side to him. That's why he's so smooth. So in touch. That's why he found the penny straight away. It was meant for him. The penny in the pond. 11:58, there'll be a sign. Watch and see.